When it comes to flooring, excess moisture can cause a lot of damage. A little spill every now and then may not seem like a problem at the time, however moisture can build and cause various problems to arise. High humidity can impact the performance, structural stability, and durability of some types of waterproof flooring. Poorly built flooring systems. Many housing contractors didn't used to worry about how flooring systems were built. As long as it looked relatively flat, it was good enough for them, which left plenty of homeowners with warped floors, cracked tiles, and mold problems. Pet accidents. Some chemicals in pet urine can affect the color of some non-waterproof flooring. Over time, these spots can darken, and the urine can even get trapped in between the floor panels where the odors can concentrate. Mold. There are over 100,000 species of mold, and most aren't considered dangerous to humans. However, some are, and can cause potentially serious health issues. Indoor molds can take hold and multiply under damp conditions. Waterproof flooring is your best defense against staining, warping, odors, and mold when properly installed. Some of the different types of waterproof flooring available today are vinyl, tile, laminate, and one-sheet vinyl. There are plenty of new designs and features with waterproof flooring, allowing you to design an almost infinite number of looks. Plus, the performance of waterproof flooring is unbeatable. Choose the flooring that best suits your needs and makes you happy. Visit Flooring Direct for the new, high-quality waterproof floors you've been dreaming of. Call to schedule your free estimate today.